Hello again everybody. So today we have a Yale padlock series Y90S stroke 45 rekeyable. Bitting on it is quite nasty. It's a 6-pin lock, so 1 is right up here, 6 is right up near on the tip of here, and then we've got 5 guarding 6, 4's up here, so quite interesting. Key retaining, and fairly tight keyway, typical Yale. If you give me a minute, I shall stick it in the vise and we shall give it a go. Right then, here we are. Get the key in, still all working. There we go, better look at that bitting. This has got plenty of security pins in it, I think. Definitely some spools. Start at the front here. 1 completely loose. 2 a little bit of false set. 3 we've got counter rotation. If I can stay on the pin. Come on. Lost the full set. Let's check 2 again. There we go. 3 feels like it's actually set now. Let's try 4. 4 counter rotation. That doesn't seem to want to go up. Oh, I think we got 4 there. 5. I'm getting some counter rotation again. Constantly having to adjust the tension on here from very little to giving it a fair bit at times to get pins to set. Well, I think that might be 5, but we lost the full set again. Let's check 2, and there we go, got it back again. If 1's ready for anything while we're here. No, still completely loose. Let's get down the far end, see if we can. Right, there was a click on 6. But not much else. Oh no, there's a bit of counter rotation on 6. But I cannot get it to. Let's see if we've got anything on 1 yet. No. I'm just going to try with this then on 6 because it is very high set. Right. 6 feels like it's actually set. I think something must have dropped here somewhere. 4, 5 all fill set, 3, 2, oh no, it feels like 2 might have dropped. Still nothing on 1. Oh no, there we go, bit of counter rotation on 1, lost the full set again. That was 2. 3 fill set, 4, 5, 6. I'll try 6 with that thinner pick again. It seems to have gone up. We seem to have lost the full set again. So 2 still seems set. There we go, 2 again. That was 1 that time. That's 6 counter rotation. No. Possibly, there we go. 6 was holding us up, it dropped 2 again, and that was it. So let's get this out of the way. We'll bring the pinning board in. Turn it round the right way. And see what we've got here. There's the screw. Right, screws in the back. Oh, that's tight. Let's lock this up again, as soon as we have the keys. There we go. Tight. there. Right, follower. That looks like it's going to be the right size. So, pins at the top, fingers crossed, and there we go. So, quite a bit of drill protection there. Let's see what we've got. We have a standard. We have another standard. Those anti-drill pins. Another standard. Another standard. Another standard. And another standard. But looking at them, especially the large one, can we focus? They do seem to be chamfered on the top edge. Let me just have a... Yeah, there's definitely something going on the top edge of those pins. And it looks like we have one steel one there. Right, let's have a look in here. So number one is a spool, and actually quite a long deep one. Number two is standard. Number three, very short little spool. And then number six, another very long spool. Number five, a very short spool. And number four, a medium-sized spool. All the springs seem the same. Right, can't see anything inside there. Just have a look at that. All looks fairly standard. Let's have a close-up look at these pins. So interesting to see they've matched the length of the spools with the standard pins, or with the key pins. So there we go. So quite a nice secure lock. That's the Yale. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.